This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Anna Garrigues. Less than bedroom greater than ABR, CRS, GRI less than bedroom greater than associate broker. Beautiful one owner custom built home. Inviting front porch, cheerful matured landscaping. No pets here. Front double French DRS welcomes you into move-in ready open floor plan. Spacious living areas with abundant nat light and beautiful hardwood floors. Gourmet eat-in kitchen, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet space and breakfast bar off dining room. Enjoy the deck which overlooks sizeable fenced yard, excellent for entertaining, cookouts and family. 16x12 garden shed with power and plenty additional storage. Primary bedroom with tray ceiling, walk-in closet and ceramic tiled private ensuite with walk-in shower. 3 additional BDRMs, 2 which connect to ensuite, offers flex space. Mary CALCOTT Elementary. Fantastic location, minutes to of beach and golf course, military bases, airport, restaurants, and Interstates.